Do you shop around for the best price on the things that you buy? Well, did you know you can actually do it for your health, for laboratory testing? Our Jessica Null recently spoke to Arden Bourgeois about how you can save money on this health expense right here in Richmond.
This Partners in Healthcare segment is sponsored by Mida Labs.
Well, the goals are simple. Mida Labs strives to cut the costs of medical laboratory testing and reduce healthcare costs that ultimately are passed to your wallet. Arden Bourgeois joins us this morning to explain how this is happening right here. Good morning, Arden.
Good morning.
Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely.
This is a name that might not be familiar to a lot of folks, so let's talk a little bit about what Mida Laboratories is.
Well, Mida Labs, or Mid-Atlantic Laboratory Services, is a full-service, locally owned, independent laboratory. Probably one of the last independent laboratories left in the state.
A lot of folks probably say, well, that's great, but what does it mean to me? What do you guys do?
Well, what we do is we provide full-service laboratory services to patients, and we bring an element of competition in. So traditionally there's been one laboratory, one national laboratory in our state, and by having competition we offer services and pricing that's much more reasonable for the patient.
And that's where that competition is key, because it comes in and really impacts your customers who are both in the medical area, in private sector, and in the business sector too.
Yes, typically we save patients anywhere from 50 to 80% off of what they would pay with the national laboratory. That's a huge difference. We're talking about a $400 bill with a national lab, or an $80 bill for self-pay patients or patients who haven't met their deductibles.
How is this important for the clients that you serve?
Well, right now everyone's been impacted by these tough times that we're in, and a lot of patients are having a hard time even going to their physician because of the high costs of health care. So their laboratory work is one of those reasons why they might say, well, I'm not going to go see my physician right now because I just can't afford to get that lab work done. But Mida Labs offers them the opportunity to get the lab work that they need at a much more reasonable rate.
So folks can come to you, or they can work through their doctor to make that request?
Either one. When the doctor gives you that requisition form, even though it has a laboratory name on the top of it, it doesn't require you to go to that laboratory. In other cities where there are competitive laboratories, people know that they can shop that around to get the best price for them. And Mida Labs is now offering Virginians, specifically Richmonders, that opportunity as well.
That's a really important point to highlight, because I'm not familiar with that. So it is a point of revelation that you shop everything else, you price everything else.
That's right.
This is an opportunity to do that. How do you even go about getting that process started?
Well, if your physician doesn't use Mida Labs, you can ask to have your laboratory work done there, and they would give you a requisition form to do that. If you typically get a requisition form, you can take it to one of our draw centers. Now, our draw centers, the average wait time is about 10 minutes. The national laboratories, our competitors, you have to wait sometimes 1, 2, 3 hours to get your services done.
Yeah, a big difference there in terms of the expeditious service and the cost as well.
That's right.
And what kind of reaction are you getting from folks?
We've had an overwhelming response, people that are really excited. As people that are involved in their wellness want to go out and just get their own blood work done, they don't really have an option, especially a low-cost option, but they can come to us and check their body out, vitamin D levels, things of that nature.
And you saw that there was really a need for this in this Richmond area.
Absolutely. In other cities, you have multiple options. In Richmond, when you think of getting your lab work done, most people only think of one national laboratory.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for providing the service. It definitely makes a big difference. Saving money, saving time. We can all use a little bit of that.
They can go to our website, www.midalabs.com.
Awesome. Thanks, Arden.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, learn more about Mida Labs, one of your partners in healthcare. The office is across from Henrico Doctors Hospital, the Forest location, 1610 Forest Avenue, Suite 114. Give them a call, 445-2940, or as Arden said, visit online, midalabs.com.